Hi everyone, so in this lecture we will discuss a new example which depends on first shifting theorem. So in previous lectures we have already discussed two examples. Now let us start with this example. We only have to find that is a Laplace transformation of e raised to minus t into sine hyperbolic t is equal to question mark. With the help of two steps we can solve this question very easily. That is, consider step number 1, that is just to do one thing, that is just apply this Laplace on this second term, that is Laplace transformation of this sine hyperbolic t, and with the help of standard formula of a Laplace transformation as we have already discussed in previous lectures, then its value is, that is Laplace transformation of sine ht. Here a is equal to how much? 1, that is 1 divided by s square minus 1 square, so that implies 1 divided by s square minus 1. So we denote this as a phi of s and we denote this equation as a equation number 1. So we have obtained this step number 1. Now to find step number 2, so firstly consider this step number 2. Just to consider this question as it is, that is Laplace transformation of this e raised to minus t into this sine hyperbolic t. Okay, so here we have a e raised to something into f of t, and with the help of first shifting theorem we can write this Laplace transformation as phi as it is, s as it is. Now only there will be change in only second term, that is if we have a minus term then directly write its opposite sign, that is a plus sign. Similarly, here we have a coefficient of t as a 1, so write this 1 as it is here. So denote this as equation number 2. Now with the help of equation number 1, we can find its a value very easily. As we have a phi of s is equal to 1 divided by s square minus 1, then only here in equation number 2, s is replaced by s plus 1. Therefore, with the help of this formula, this value of this phi of s plus 1 will be, that is here numerator is 1, then numerator is again 1. Next is s square minus 1. Now s is replaced by s plus 1. Therefore, we have a denominator as s plus 1 square minus 1. Now simplify this equation, that is 1 divided by s square plus 2 times s plus 1 and this minus 1, then 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled to each other, then remaining term will be 1 divided by s square plus 2s. So this is the value of this given Laplace transformation.